service or a UIM web service reference project, right? So in this project, first of all, like you have done it in the SOAP web services, right?
Yeah.
REST web services, you need to create one file on your name here. So this is my
Yes.
file, CHINSINA. This is the name of the file of Firoza laptop. Okay. So like this, what you have done it in the REST web services, first create the file here. Let me show you what changes you need to make. You already have installed FMW Home, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that folder you need to give here. In my laptop, it is Oracle Home 2. You need to have it as Oracle Home only. Okay. No need to make further changes. But remaining all things, you don't have to make any change. You first create this file. And once you create this file, what you need to do is you click on Alt Enter or say whatever, enter project. Okay. Or you can type here Alt Enter and you will get the properties of this project. Or you can right click on here and you can get the properties like this. Okay. Now copy this path. Okay. Copy this path and go to command. You know the command, right?
Yeah.
So CMD, you can type here CMD. You type here. Okay. And put the path here, CD, this path, paste it here. Right click means paste. Okay. And here, if you go and build
Hello.
Sir, your voice is not.
UIM, sir.
Hello, Parvati.
Hi, sir.
Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I got disconnected. Hello,
Hello. Yes,
am
sir.
I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
Mm.
So in this one, what happens is, ANT is the tool which you use to build this particular code. Okay. I don't think recording would have been done, right? It's continuing. Okay, good. So ANT is the tool which you use to run the deployment here. When you say build.full, it will run clean and build actually. Okay. So it takes some time, but now you need to have ANT in your system actually. Okay, I'll show you where it happens. So in the C drive, you need to have ANT tool here. Okay, Apache ANT 1.10.12 is here. So yeah, 1.10.12. I'm putting this in the chart. Okay. You extract this to the C drive. Okay. Once you extract this to the C drive, okay, you will have this folder ANT here. Okay. Like this. Now, having that there is one step, but it is not sufficient. The build is successful here, what you have seen. It is still, no, not this one. Okay, it is going on there. This one, it is still going on here. This is another prompt I opened in the past. Okay, now what you need to do is you go into this one, settings. You know these settings, right?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Go into the settings and you need to change the environment path there. Or say environment, type their environment and you will get here environment variables for your environment. Okay, this system properties will come. Here you type environment variables will be here. And bottom there is one path parameter. This path parameter. Click on this one. See this one. When you click on this one here, you get to see a lot of parameters, right? There's something unwanted here. You can click something new and add your path there like this. Got it?
Yeah, got
And
it,
once
sir.
you set this path, what will happen is you will be able to run your web services. I mean, build your web services. Okay.
Okay.
That both of you had your lunch.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have lunch and sit at 2 o'clock, and then both of you together connect and work. You can join in this particular bridge itself, and you can work together, right?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So once you are done with this, right, I will take you one more session. Okay, there is one common item here between REST and SOAP web services. I'll show you. This one common item means in this particular project, what I can see is there's one file called as custom.er. You are working on this project, right, Parvati, right? Reference REST
Yes.
web service, right? This one. Now in this one, there is one file which gets generated called as reference REST UIM. But there is something called as custom here is there, right? This is what you deployed on the server. You don't deploy this directly on the server. Here in this build folder, the libs, you will find this file, right? This is getting generated here, right? But this file, you bring it to this particular folder, root folder, and you will try to build, you will try to put this into this file. But who builds this custom AI is in this project. You understand?
Yeah.
In this project, you build the custom AI. This will get built. Now, for example, I'm building here. Build is successful, right? At what is the time right now? 1:32, right? See here, at 1:32 p.m., the file got generated here, right? So what I will do is I will take this file and put it inside this one. What is this? This file. Now here it is. Suppose you make any change in the REST web services, right? You have to take the latest custom web service here from there and put it here. Now this one, if you open a custom web service for archive here, you will be able to see some files here. You see here. Do you find your REST reference? Reference REST UIM here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this one. You find your reference REST web service UIM here, right? So
Yes.
this, what I do is I put it here. That's it. Then it becomes later. Now you take this file and you will deploy it on the server. Deployment I will tell you next, but that is, but first you build your reference REST project. Am I okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
First you get your code ready to build your environment. First step. Then you will understand. Then I will teach you how to deploy the web service. Okay. Okay, after deployment of the web services, Parvati, you are anyway gone through the files of the REST web services, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
now I'll teach you, Sandeep, I'll teach you how to go through the SOAP web services project files. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then I will slowly keep giving you some tasks about how to build them. Okay, like that. Okay. So both of you have to understand REST and SOAP, both. Okay.
Okay,
It is
sir.
Okay,
not
sir.
like it is not like Parvati is only doing REST, she has to do REST. Not like Sandeep is only doing so, he has to do so. Both of you are starting with two different directions, but both of you have to learn both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That way, what will happen? See, SOAP web services are old generation. In the past, people used to use SOAP web services. In the latest system, in the latest technology, REST web services are the way forward. Okay. So in future, whatever web services we are going to develop, they are all on the REST web services. Okay, but there are a lot of legacy web services which I developed in the past that also has to be maintained, right? There is some code fix issues come, some improvements has to be done, bug fixes have to be done. They have to be done in the REST SOAP also, right? SOAP web services also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So did you get your this thing? Apache Ant project, has it downloaded on your laptop? Check there.
Yes.
I'm stopping the recording so that you can.
Oh.
I'll upload this to that server.